Hello, nice to see you again. This is going to be a short video on how to use the PoodLL functions on Moodle. As you can see, we have two microphones, so two kinds of audio format, a camera to record video, a pencil to make a drawing, and a camera to take a picture. So we're starting with the voice. It's really very easy to use. First, you record in MP3. All you have to do, every time it's the same thing. You record or take a picture or film, you save, you upload, insert, and it will be here in the body of your message. So MP3. Here we go. Here you click on it. You get this little screen. Pretty straightforward. You record. Hello from beautiful, sunny and warm Bahia. I hope everybody is having a good day. Stop. I can listen to it to make sure I'm satisfied. Hello from beautiful, sunny. Okay. I stop. I upload. Uploaded successfully. I insert, and here it is in the MP3 format. Then we can try the other format. By the way, when you have posted, these audios will be downloadable. So it's the same thing here. You record. I love teaching. I think it's one of the best activities in life after flying. Okay, I stop. I can listen to it. I love teaching. Up, good. Upload. Successfully. Insert. And here is my second audio. One day I'll try to find out what the differences are. Okay, the next one is the camera. So the camera, of course, it's to record a video. Same thing, a nice little screen. You just analyze what you're doing. You can record them. Hello. Okay, here I am. Hello. Here you can see that in the background, it's sunny Bahia, as I told you in the first one. And I can pause if I want. Let's go. Next one. Or I can continue. Here we are. And then stop. And I can play it to see if I'm okay. Okay, here I am. Hello. Here you can see that in the background, it's sunny Bahia, as I told you in the first one. And I can pause if I want to continue. Here we are. And then, okay, so now I stop. I can upload. Since it's a video, it's a little longer to upload than just the pictures in the audio format. Okay. Okay, uploaded successfully. I will insert it. Then we have the drawing function. If you see, the video is here in MP4. Then we have the drawing function. If you are an artist, you can draw a very beautiful picture like this, for example. I'm terrible at drawing. Up. You can erase, you can change the color of your pencil, for example, like this. Up. And it's uploading automatically, but you save the picture. And once it's saved, you can insert it here. Beautiful picture in my message message area. And finally, you can take a picture. So you can, for example, everything you need to take online classes. A cat, a beautiful cat, a tablet, up, or a phone, and with that, or a computer, and with that you take online classes. And come on, Snow, say hi to everybody, smile, and take the picture. Okay, and then all I have to do is upload and insert. Okay. Okay, I think I've gone through the different functions. I hope I wasn't too long. And oh, I forgot to put the subject. Attempt at Poodle. I think I have a little mistake in the spelling, but it will be okay. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.